Hello, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Basically, I'm specialized in teaching English as a second language. I have master's degree in TESOL as well as online teaching certificate, full-time online lecturer, as well as doing some offline teaching classes. As for my YouTube videos, I have started explaining different languages. I want my YouTube videos to reach as many students as possible, and I would love to have you on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. So I would really love to have you connected with me on social media. And if you have any questions or if you have any concerns, feel free to contact me. This is all about me. Thank you so much for watching this clip, and I would love it if you consider subscribing to my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Wish you a good day, and I would love to have you here every week. Bye.